Руфия.
Ага. Ваше имя как?
Руфия.
Руфия. Руфия очень умный, шустрый человек. Английский хорошо разговаривает. Очень рада с вами познакомиться. Дальше мы будем дружить. Давайте.
Спасибо. Да, внутри холодильник, да?
Да.
Удобно.
Ну, у тебя тоже удобно, все видит.
Так вот обед носят.
Okay, PE is for water. Inside tube. This is inside tube. Inside tube. PE is for water. PU is for gas or oil. Ordinary temperature. PU. If the for hot oil, use PVDF. Outside usually is PE or PU. Main is PE.
Thank you.
This called CAPP. It's cured in place pipe something. Just pour. Look, say. Turn inside out. Here is at his breast. Pressure from 1 to 6
to 6
MPa.
MPa. Окей. В общем, 25-600 миллиметров, а давление 1,6 мегапаскаль. It just too small for us. You see that we have like
maybe different application.
Different application.
Well, what's the application of your demand?
What do you mean by application?
I mean, how it will be used for your host or your demand?
Oh, it's like technical.
I mean, or where is it used?
А где мы это используем?
Каналопромывочная машина. То есть, я не знаю, каналы, где проходит переработка нефти, мы там под напором промываем.
Okay, so we have like tubes where we have an oil and oil products, and there we should clean these tubes by.
Okay.
So that's why we need so big pressure.
For that kind of application, usually I suggest you get some it's rubber with steel wire.
What is
Steel.
steel? What is it?
Steel.
Стил это металл.
Metal, something. Yeah, maybe.
So you steel is that?
Steel, yeah.
Сталь, да, из стали там.
Steel or the Kevlar, yeah. Or Kevlar, yeah. And it's wrong. This is different. This is not supposed to be for that application.
But yeah, my director said that anyway we need not by steel or metal tubes. We need like
No, I mean there's steel wire, but it's rubber, so flexible.
yes.
It's not steel. It should be flexible.
Yes, we need flexible, but this is a flexible one, right?
For that application, I suggest you to go to this American company.
American.
Yeah, that's big. Parker.
Okay.
I believe Shino or Countrytech.
Special for products.
For 25 millimeter.
Yes.
Pressure can be
какой минимальный диаметр, какой максимальный диаметр?
Maybe 5 or 6.
MPA.
Yeah.
Это вас сколько метров? Он сказал 5 или 6 метров. Сколько? 5 или 6 метров. And what is the variety of size of the products?
From 25 to 600.
From 25 millimeters to 600 millimeters. Let me write it down.
Okay.
Do you have a pen?
Ручку.
Do you have pen for the oil transfer?
We have a big facility,
Okay.
as you see, so we are spending an awful lot of money
Okay.
on all kinds of things. So it's not specified at this moment,
Okay.
and it really requires at some stage a discussion with my procurement team,
Okay.
the purchasing team.
Sure, sure.
But I think what I always say is they need to learn the market, who's on the
Okay,
market
good,
and who's there. One of the things I do see is that sometimes you need to be a little bit more visible for suppliers from China
Okay,
or from other
okay.
countries, for the team to be aware, because otherwise they go to a local trader,
Okay.
and maybe trader comes to you, but I'd rather
Okay.
see if there's opportunity to go directly.
Actually, the reason why I ask you what's the application, how we use it, because for the different application, we can offer the different solutions.
Okay.
I mean, if for example, for construction, just for auto discharge, they can use the cheapest one. We just subject it outside like this.
Can I ask you?
Sure.
Maybe
So
in
this is for
this.
rubber, operation
Let
resistant.
me give you my card.
Okay, sure.
If you can send, I will. When
Yeah.
you send me,
Okay.
I will forward actually the email to
Okay.
the head of the procurement team
Okay, okay.
and registration, because I think it might be interesting your
Okay.
company.
Sure.
Maybe you're already in the list. I don't know.
I sell a lot of this post to Russia.
Yeah, but also our company.
I know. My point is,
Yeah.
I have now in Kazakhstan have very little business.
Okay.
But in Russia, sell a lot of this type of posts.
Okay.
That's the reason why I come to participate in this show.
Okay.
Because I suppose the Russian need this or the Kazakhstan maybe need this.
Yeah, excellent.
So this is for some oil pipe if leakage, you need to repair it. So they use this hose to bypass, temporarily bypass, to keep the transfer oil and during the repair the pipe. So after you repair the pipe, move this. Then another solution is use this. This kind of hose is press flat. Then fold it into U-shape, use tape, then pour into the host pipe.
Okay.
To repair this pipe, use a liner. So it's very
liner.
efficient. Several kilometers, in just a few hours, finish.
Okay. Interesting. Thank you very much.
Sure, thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Фарси, Кабзада, Радио Лехова.
Понятно.
Понятно, да?
СОС.
А вы откуда вы?
Я вообще местный.
Казах, да?
Да, местный.
Алматы живет.
Да, ван Дара, Алматы, Зиндаги Мекунак, да. Знаете, я она меня, знаете, переводчиком русско-английский, разные языки по 2 слова. Фарси
Китайский.
2,5 слова, китайский 1,5 слова, ну, не шучу, да? Но мое главное направление это вот свожу компанию с компанией.
There is a spell in autumn early.
那咱们
我说了两句话，恼多一点。
那咱们这个就是整个这个展期有多少个？就是咱们接待了有多少？
真没几个。真没几个。
招待当地的。
当地人。方面
是，我觉得是。那个就是您这情况。
你好。
它就变成圆的，就撑在里面。
就像比如说套管漏了，对吧？我要补套管。
对。
这个就是可以，就是那种材料。
我这个一般修都是。
你们这个油田已经有用过是吗？
我们现在好多在用。
这个叫国内这个专业术语，专业术语是叫膨胀管吗？
不叫非开挖管道修复。
非开挖管道修复。
就是正常的你修复一个供水管、石油管，听上去